It's limited, really. My husband and I run a business specialising in tarmac and road resurfacing, so I've got some experience of groundworks and landscaping works. I also worked for a building contractor for about 1.5 years, so I gained a bit of experience on the sort of project management side of things, behind the scenes, so interpreting CAD plans, quoting and ordering materials. Well, it was twofold, really. So first, it was to help support our own business in the first instance. We often receive CAD plans from contractors, so it's really useful to be able to understand them for quoting purposes. But we also want to offer our customers a CAD design service, so that because many customers want to visualise their outdoor space and explore different options. And secondly, it's been a personal aspiration of mine to be able to set up my own business alongside our current business to offer a CAD drawing service to local businesses in the area. The ability to use CAD software to a proficient level and get a better understanding of the construction process in house building and renovation. Absolutely. We live in a really rural area, so it enabled me to cut out obviously any travelling time and complete the course in the comfort of my own home, which was an absolute bonus. I guess it depends on the cost, I suppose. The appeal of only having to pay 10% of the total course costs made it much more appealing and affordable for our small business. Yes, you can practice and complete the homework in your own time to suit you. And the calls were obviously at a fixed time, so I just had to ensure that I was really organised in advance. It was interesting. It was completely new to me, as I've never done an online course before, so it took a bit of getting used to. It came with its challenges at times, and you really need to have 2 screens to learn effectively, but overall it worked really well. Generally good. There were a couple of times I needed help, so I contacted the help desk or emailed Tom, my tutor. It was usually just a case of revisiting the recording of the sessions, which were brilliant, or rereading the course resources and just putting the time in, really. Excellent. Really patient, approachable, friendly, really helpful. I particularly enjoyed the module that I think was at the end, actually, around producing 3D models and using the photo visualizer. I just found it really satisfying and fun to see the final result come together, and just being able to play around with renders, backgrounds, lighting, that was definitely the fun part for me. It's given me the confidence to pursue something I've been wanting to do for a while. I'm currently in the early stages of working with a local architect and a chartered surveyor who wish to use my CAD services, which is really exciting. Yeah, definitely. It's equipped me with skills that I think I can continue to improve on. I've already undertaken further CAD training to support the architect I'll be working with. It's just made me realise that anything is possible if you're prepared to put the work in. Yes, I'd highly recommend them. HP Excel have been professional and supportive, and I certainly wouldn't have found a course like this in my area. I think bootcamps allow a variety of people to access them. Don't hesitate, just go for it, but do make sure that you've got the time to put in. I'm continuing to focus on offering a new service in our own business to existing clients and new clients, whilst also setting up my own CAD drawing service to local professionals. I've already been offered some work drawing up a house overlooking Lake Windermere, which is very exciting.